Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Suzuki Alto brings a fresh wave of innovation and practicality to the compact car market, making it a top contender for drivers seeking efficiency, affordability, and style. With a legacy of reliability and affordability, the Alto has consistently been a favorite among first-time buyers and urban commuters. This new model continues that tradition while introducing modern features and advancements designed to meet the evolving needs of today's drivers. One of the standout features of the 2025 Suzuki Alto is its redesigned exterior, which strikes a perfect balance between functionality and contemporary aesthetics. The compact dimensions make it ideal for navigating tight city streets and parking in crowded urban spaces. Its bold front grille, sleek headlamps, and sharp lines give it a dynamic and youthful appearance. Despite its small size, the car exudes a sense of sophistication, making it an attractive option for young professionals and families alike. The design also focuses on aerodynamics, enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing wind noise for a quieter ride. Under the hood, the Alto is equipped with an updated and highly efficient engine. Suzuki has introduced a hybrid variant, combining a lightweight petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver exceptional fuel efficiency and lower emissions. With the fuel economy rating expected to exceed 25 kilometers per liter, the 2025 Suzuki Alto is a budget-friendly option for those who want to save on fuel costs without sacrificing performance. The hybrid system also provides a smooth and responsive driving experience, making it perfect for both city commutes and longer journeys. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Alto surprises with its clever use of space and modern features. Despite its compact size, the interior feels open and comfortable, thanks to ergonomic seating and a smart layout. The use of high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces adds a premium feel to the car, while the intuitive dashboard design ensures that everything is within easy reach. The infotainment system, featuring a touchscreen display, offers seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to stay connected and entertained on the go. Practical storage spaces and foldable rear seats add versatility, making the Alto a practical choice for daily use. Safety has been given significant attention in the 2025 Suzuki Alto, with a range of features designed to protect occupants. Dual airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, rear parking sensors, and an electronic stability program are standard across all variants. These features provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers, making the Alto one of the safest options in its class. The hybrid variant also benefits from regenerative braking, further enhancing control and efficiency. Affordability has always been a hallmark of the Suzuki Alto, and the 2025 model is no exception. Competitive pricing, low running costs, and Suzuki's reputation for reliability make this car an excellent long-term investment. With easy maintenance and a network of service centers, ownership remains hassle-free and cost-effective. For eco-conscious buyers, the hybrid variant's lower emissions and improved fuel economy align perfectly with global trends towards sustainable transportation. The 2025 Suzuki Alto is more than just a compact car. It's a complete package that offers modern design, impressive fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and affordability. Whether you're a first-time car owner, a small family, or someone looking for a practical and stylish second vehicle, the Alto delivers on every front. Its blend of traditional reliability and forward-thinking innovation ensures that it will continue to be a favorite in the compact car segment. With the 2025 Suzuki Alto, Suzuki has once again proven that great things can come in small packages.